Librans, this is Ciao with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of September 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle decks that I have here. Librans, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of August, stepping into September 2021, we have the Six of Pentacles. You may have felt as though expenses had mounted in this period. Maybe money was flowing out, or you may have been dealing with expenditure on account of malfunctioning gadgets. Maybe you had to cough up a fine as well. It's quite likely that you were also generous towards others. I think Librans, in these final days, you were also coming across as someone who was quite temperamental. Maybe you were perturbed on account of the limitations imposed upon you by your family members. To overcome this month or the challenges that September is going to present for you is the Five of Cups. Certainly, like this lady here, you may be feeling a sense of loss. Maybe you have to let go of certain relationships. Ideally, I think Librans, you should not overreact, or you could be accused of also making a mountain out of a molehill. Maybe you should keep a low profile. You should distance yourself from situations which are unhealthy for you. It would help if you would clarify before jumping to conclusions. That is why it is prudent or it is advisable for you to step back rather than come across as being someone who is meddlesome. Nevertheless, I think in this month there will be food treats or you'll be socializing a bit, but you should also be guarding yourself from the unhealthy environment or the unhealthy energies that are there. Maybe you should do some spiritual cleansing. Influences for this month, we have the Page of Wands. You're coming across as someone who's quite restless. You are looking also for definite answers with respect to your life. Maybe you want guidance from the universe or even from your confidant with respect to how you should proceed. You want clarity, you want the answers. I think this is also the chance that the universe is giving you to rectify past mistakes. Mostly in this month you will be withdrawn. Maybe you will retreat from people. You do find comfort in isolation. However, you're also somebody who is going to react or you're going to retaliate when you're going to be provoked. While working also, there could be times when you could be a bit distracted. Maybe you should review the assignments before you make a presentation. Nonetheless, there'll be clients for your services. Maybe a former client could also return. The first 10 days of September, we have the Four of Cups. Emotional discontentment is quite likely. Maybe you will be overreacting to situations. You could argue or you could find yourself embroiled in arguments. Maybe you will also break down or you'll be near tears if somebody says something unkind. You should listen to what others have to say. Maybe you should listen to the criticism that is coming your way rather than become emotional. Sometimes, you may feel that people are two-faced. Maybe you had been promised much, but then nothing comes your way. Nonetheless, people will hear you out. They will pay heed to your side of the story. Family elders could also deny you money and resources, but in the end, they will come to rescue you. In this month, I'm also picking up that you could come across former acquaintances as well. In these first 10 days, I think you may be on the lookout for job offers, but you would be disappointed. Maybe outstation offers are also going to be there, but they don't excite you. Those of you who are already employed, I think you should be prepared because your schedule could be disrupted. You are unsure how you will manage, but then you will be able to achieve a lot. You will complete 2 tasks or you will kill 2 birds with 1 stone. At times, you may also feel a bit lazy. You don't want to proceed, but you should push yourself or you should egg yourself on. I think Librans, if you're quite resolved, then you can achieve a lot. Besides, I think help from trusted aides is also quite likely. Your responsibilities could also increase because staff members may not be around. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you'll be a bit irritated or exasperated. Maybe new employees are unprofessional in their approach. They arrive late for work. Certainly, you're going to give them peace of your mind. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th September, we have the Four of Pentacles. Again, financial issues could bother you. Maybe expenses could mount in this period. Aside from money flowing out, you may also have to deal with tension on the home front. Quite like the first 10 days, I think job opportunities that are going to come your way may not be something which you would like. Maybe the money on offer is ridiculously low. However, your family members are going to promote your talents. I think some people also expect you to work for free. They want your services gratis, but then your family members may also remind you that in the end or eventually you may snap at these people. While working also, you could be a bit stressed out because colleagues aren't systematic in their approach. Your ideas and findings can also be used by others and they are proven to be true. Incidentally, you could be surprised because your rival could be respectful of you. In the past, she or he never felt that you would amount to anything. Perhaps you have learned the hard way and you have dug in your heels. That is why he thinks that you're not somebody who can be shaken from your position. I think you'll be busy on account of accountancy work or bookkeeping. Maybe banking work will also take up your time. Final days of September, that is towards 21st to 30th September, we have the Emperor card. This is certainly a good time for learning. Your talents and skills will also be appreciative. I think you're somebody who's in a very competitive mood. You are also being asked to collaborate or have a cooperative approach with colleagues. Maybe they think that you're quite bossy. Nevertheless, I think work will proceed. In case you're applying for a job, I think this is not the best time. There'll also be those days when you will find you have too much on your plate because colleagues may be absent. The excess work could also overwhelm you. You could also find yourself sandwiched between your superior or the administrator. You don't know whose ideas you should implement. Ideally, I think you should follow protocol. This month, many Librans, you could also be considering taking a loan. I'm also picking up that you should take good care of yourself. Your health could be a cause for concern here. With respect to your love life, I have this card, Divine Timing. In case yours is a romantic connection, I think you should realize that this is going as per plan or everything is going to happen as per what the universe desires. Or you're being called upon to be patient in a connection. Single Librans, certainly attention is going to come your way. Even younger members of the opposite sex seem to be charmed by your looks or your demeanor. Maybe they're also quite obliging. Certainly you're going to be flattered by the attention that is coming your way, but then that's about it. Maybe some of your admirers may feel that you're like the emperor. You hold yourself in very high regard and you look down upon this person. Maybe he thinks that you're somebody who is egoistical as well. Those of you who are crushing on someone, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. Maybe you want to understand his thoughts on the social media. I think you should be patient with this person because, like I said, divine timing is something which you cannot ignore. Those of you who are crushing on someone, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. You want to understand his thoughts. Maybe you also want to send a message across to this person, but then your confidant could ask you not to be too explicit or not to be so persuasive. This is why you may think that you have reached a dead end or you need to snap out of this relationship. Nevertheless, you should realize that everything is happening as per the divine plan because we have divine timing here. Romancing Librans, I think your lover could be a bit insecure, maybe because you have several suitors vying for your attention. That is why he thinks that you could leave him. But you are going to be somebody who's going to reassure him. I'm also picking up that you could discuss your respective looks. Maybe your person thinks that you're quite attractive and he doesn't match up to you, but then you feel that love that you share with this person is quite deep. You could also be interested in your lover's social background or faith. Basically, you're somebody who's eager to understand your beloved. Now and then you will also be discussing work-related issues. Maybe you will discuss financial matters. Sometimes, you may feel that you're ready for marriage, but this person's soul is not ready. Maybe he fears commitment as well. In case yours is a secret romance, I think you'll be a bit worked up because your family elder could get a whiff of your secret relationship. Librans, in case yours is an extramarital relationship, I think you'll be a bit distressed because your marital partner is set to make a return. Maybe she was away on a trip, that is why conversations with your person could become a thing of the past, or it could be quite limited. Marital Librans, I think you should be more tolerant of each other. Maybe your relationship with your in-laws also need to be worked upon. Oftentimes, you may feel that your spouse is quite lax. Maybe you want this person to oblige you immediately, but he is not going to do so. That is why it could leave you a bit overwhelmed or teary-eyed. Incidentally, some of you could also be dealing with an unwell partner here. In case yours is an unhappy relationship, I think you are being asked by the universe to come out of this toxic relationship. You need to break free or distance yourself. Maybe you feel that your partner is always critical of you. Surely a toxic relationship is unhealthy and it could leave you damaged and hurt in the long run. Besides, the toxicity could harm you internally. Sometimes, you may feel as though your partner is quite dogmatic or he doesn't listen to your point of view. From Lenormand, we have this card, Anchor. Even if you're worried about your financial condition or even if you think that opportunities are not there, you need to stay steadfast and steady. Certainly everything will be okay. Besides, it's all about time here. Lastly, we have this card, Heal Away Addictions. Certainly your angels are asking you to detoxify. Maybe they are impressing upon you to let go of your addictive behaviors as it is interfering with your health, your happiness, and even your life purpose. Librans, you should be honest with yourself. Maybe there are certain flaws within you which you need to address, or maybe you should become sober, or you should eat more organic food, as this could help you. I hope Librans, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.